If you know users are getting stuck in your app, but you can't quite see where, heat maps make that gap really clear. They show interaction patterns, not assumptions, so you can spot friction fast and improve your UX with confidence. So why does heat maps matter? Heat maps visualize how people actually use your app, where they tap, hesitate, explore, or try things that don't respond. And once you see those patterns, fixing onboarding navigation and UI issues becomes way easier. For example, our heat maps at UXCam monitor rage taps, unresponsive gestures, first touch, last touch devices, and orientation. But those are all great in theory, but what does it all really mean? Well, rage taps highlight frustration. These are quick, repeated taps on an element that isn't responding. They're great for catching blockers, login screens, forms, and onboarding flows. Unresponsive gesture heat maps, on the other hand, show where users tap on things that aren't interactive. Often this means a graphic looks like a button, or the layout isn't matching user expectation. First touch heat maps reveal the very first place where users tap when they land on a screen. Now these are super helpful for checking whether your layout aligns with natural behavior. And last touch heat maps reveal the final tap before a user leaves your screen. So if you see clusters here, it often hints at confusion or abandonment. Now, device and orientation heat maps are used for those issues, which can show up on only certain models or when someone rotates the phone. Segmenting heat maps helps you isolate device-specific UX problems. So how do you actually use these insights? First, you want to start with a goal. For example, are you investigating a drop-off, a confusing interaction? Then you need to make sure you're getting enough data. Patterns only stabilize the volume. So it's super helpful to segment your views. You can do this by gesture type, device, or an app version to understand the why behind your behavior. Finally, compare the before versus after. Any redesign should include a heat map check taking from impact. UXCam captures all major mobile heat maps, rage taps, unresponsive gestures, first and last touches for iOS, Android, React Native, Flutter, and more. UXCam is used in more than 37,000 products to pinpoint friction, understand user journeys, and improve conversions of visual high-signal data. Heat maps give you a clear, fast way to understand how people interact with your app and where the experience needs a boost. So if this is helpful, drop your questions in the comments, give this video a like, and follow us for more product analytics tips.